All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're looking at the markets right now, we're seeing a massive day, of red once again. All the gains that we made over the past few days have all been wiped out. So what exactly has happened? We're seeing Bitcoin down 4.8% on the daily, which obviously is going to impact the entire cryptocurrency market, and that's exactly what we're seeing happening right now. But now let's take a look at what exactly has caused this and why did this news come out literally the day before a brand new month was about to start. We're going to get into all of that, but as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you can see this for yourself. Just in, SEC delays Valkyrie, Wisdom Tree, and Invesco spot Bitcoin ETF application. And not only that, the one that is really affecting this right now is this one. SEC delays decision for BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF. And this is the reason as to why a lot of people are getting excited. And, this would really revolutionize, Bitcoin in general and cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin will be officially seen as a pure asset class. The reason as to why I think that is going to really make it official then is because everyone will have access to Bitcoin. Now, you may come out and say Crypto ZX, that already is the case. People can still buy Bitcoin, but it's not as easy accessible as to how it will be if this ETF were to be approved. And this announcement that we're seeing happening is the core reason, in my opinion, which has caused Bitcoin to really wipe out all the gains that it has made over the past few days. This massive green candle that we've seen, obviously through the Grayscale news. If Grayscale won the lawsuit against the SEC, but that has all been wiped out. We're back down to $25,000 to $26,000 range. So this is how fast this market can move, guys. This is quite interesting to see. Obviously not everyone is excited about this news, but let me tell you something very interesting. Obviously a lot of bloodbath across the board right now. You might be saying, what is this? This is all just, a game, in my opinion. The reason as to why I think this is a game is because, why do you think SEC is delaying this process? Number one, SEC specifically does not like crypto. We know that. SEC does not like crypto at all. They've been going through so many different crypto projects, platforms, and really trying to knock them down. This time around, what they're doing is to really delay the Bitcoin ETF because they know the magnitude of this. A lot of people are talking about the ETF. A lot of people know what's going to happen if this ETF were to be approved. And now they're trying to have the cards in their hand. Of course, like I said, if this Bitcoin ETF were to be approved, we could see Bitcoin skyrocket to, way past six figures. And that is not even a question because, like I said, these hedge funds will pump the heck out of Bitcoin. But now with that said, if this were not to be approved, we're still going to see that Bitcoin have an income. Could still see Bitcoin hitting, all-time highs, but we might not see that much of that excitement that, would have come with this Bitcoin ETF. But in my honest opinion, it's another opportunity for them to shake out the weak hands to be, making their entry lower. Remember, BlackRock, if these guys really are going to be, or all these people, all these other hedge funds and companies that are applying for this Bitcoin ETF, do you not realize one thing? The biggest thing that you guys might not realize is that they need to purchase Bitcoin. They have to have Bitcoin in their portfolio. So what they're trying to do, in my opinion, is it's all a game, inside game where they will, it might not be with all these hedge funds, it might be with just BlackRock and SEC. Maybe they have something, behind the scenes that's happening. Again, this is just speculation, but they could be saying, hey, let's make this announcement, before Bitcoin happening. Let's try to accumulate as much as BTC possible at a cheaper rate. So, your entry is lower. And that's what I'm starting to think is happening right now. And this news is, doesn't really affect me at all. I'm a crypto OG. I'm sure a lot of people that are crypto OGs realize, at the end of the day now, it's starting to show, it's no secret. It doesn't really require us to have some sort of a PhD in order for us to really see the games that are being played. And, if we're looking at the dominance has really plummeted towards the downside because obviously Bitcoin has been sold. People were moving their money into Bitcoin, and now that is not the case. Maybe USDC or other altcoins, but we're seeing the dominance fall obviously due to this news. So that is the magnitude of this news right now. This is the main reason as to why I think Bitcoin has seen this move right now. If we were to lose this support line now, now this is something very interesting to see. Now, if Bitcoin is able to retest $25,000 level of support, which I've told you guys before in my other updates when we were hanging around this range, that if Bitcoin is able to lose this support line at $22,000, Bitcoin is on the table. So what if we were to lose this support, we do retest that 22k mark, and then we hear some more positive news coming out? At that point, it's just going to be really funny at this point. And not just then, I think it's already starting to be, a joke in my opinion. We can clearly see what these guys are trying to do. They're just trying to get their entry at a cheaper price, shake out the weak hands, and obviously, this is going to affect the entire market. The crypto OGs, the whales, they know what's going on, but they're going to take advantage of this. They're going to shake out the longs, they're going to make some massive money, so they always take advantage of these news. So that is currently what's happening right now. Obviously, all the altcoins, XRP, Stellar, Lumen, Solana, everything is going down right now due to this fact. But let me know down below what you guys think and what are you guys accumulating right now. I'm totally all for it because I still want to be accumulating some projects in 2023. In 2024, I won't really look into any accumulation. I'm just going to hold all my bags and just go with my exit strategy, with whatever exit strategy I have on my coins, and I'm going to just follow that. So that is what's happening, but I want to hear from you guys now. What do you guys think on this? What are your personal thoughts? Do you guys think that we will see a bounce back up to those levels that we have seen just yesterday around the 28k mark, or do you think it will take some time, maybe sometime in Q4 before we start retesting those levels? Let me know in the comment section, and if you guys are new, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting, and also follow me on Twitter. Link in the description box below. And with that said, take care of yourself, and thank you so much for all your support. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.